Hey Naturally Told fam, welcome back to another video. So for today guys, you can see that I'll be showing you how it is I do my hot and spicy and my original wings similar to that of KFC. Yes guys, so if you want to see how this was done, then definitely stick around for the video. So guys, I've added the listing of the ingredients. That's the amount of chicken wings I used and the type of seasonings that were used in the description section. So this makes it a lot easier for you for point of reference. So I would have prepared two separate containers of flour. The blue and white container will be for the original chicken and the green and white container will be for the spicy. So I'll just go ahead to season my wings. Here I'm adding my all-purpose seasoning. Next I'll be adding my grounded black pepper. Next I'm adding some onion powder. Some paprika. And though I have the powdered cayenne pepper, I won't be adding it to the seasoning here, but we'll be adding it when I'm doing the spicy chicken. So next I'll just go in to mix the seasoning to the chicken. Then this will be put aside to marinate. So guys, as I said, I have two separate bowls with flour. One that will be used for the batter for the spicy and the other will be used for the batter for the original chicken. Now I'll be adding the all-purpose seasoning to both sections, both batter. Then I'll be adding the powdered cayenne pepper to the one that will be used for the spicy wings. Just to note, I did add a lot more. I probably added about 2 tablespoons more of cayenne pepper after leaving the flour to set, because I did taste the flour and it needed some more to make it as hot as I wanted it to be. I also had some cayenne pepper. About a dozen cayenne pepper were crushed, and this will be added to the flour batter and mixed in as well. So once you leave your flour to set, the flour will be infused with the pepper from the crushed cayenne as well as mixed with the powdered cayenne pepper. You can also add a chili pepper to your mix, which helps with adding the hot and spicy flavor. So next I will be adding a tablespoon of corn starch to both mixtures. Corn starch helps with the flakiness of the chicken when you're frying. There are some persons who also use the option of baking powder, but I only use baking powder when I don't have a corn starch. These will then be mixed together and put aside to set until we are ready to fry the chickens. So for the hot and spicy wings, I'll also be using an egg wash. So I started off using one egg, but the egg was quite small, so you'll see that I'll come back to add another egg and then I'll whip both together. So the amount of eggs you'll need is dependent on the amount of wings that you'll be preparing or the amount of chickens that you'll be preparing. So based on the amount, after doing one egg, I realized it would not have been enough. So next I had placed my cooking oil to heat on a medium flame. You'll notice that I also added 2 pegs of garlic to the oil. Garlic is known to help your chicken from sticking to the pot. So if it is in a case where you're not doing a deep fry as well, it will help your chicken or your fish, whatever item it is you're frying, to not stick to the pot. So guys, it's now time to get to the good stuff, the part you all have been waiting for. So for this section, we'll be frying the chicken, and I'll be using half of the amount of wings I have here seasoned. So half will be used for the original chicken and the other half will be used for the hot and spicy. So you'll notice that for the original chickens, I won't be dipping them in the egg wash. I'll only be using the batter I've mixed with the flour, corn starch, and the all-purpose seasoning to cover the batch. And then from there they'll be fried. And for persons who don't like egg, this is also a great option for frying your chicken. It can also be done for the spicy option, so you can see from this video 2 ways in which you can fry your chicken and 2 ways in which you can do your batter. So the next step now will be adding your chickens to the oil. I, for one, in order to test if my oil is hot enough, I would put a small piece of chicken or a piece of seasoning, a piece of onion, a piece of pepper, something into the oil to test to see if it is ready. So once I've done that, I just go ahead to add my chicken wings into the oil, and you can see they will be deep fried, so coverage all over. If you won't be doing the deep fry option because of the amount of oil that it requires, then you'll just monitor your pot to ensure that the chicken is brown on both sides, and also to ensure that it is soaked properly. Deep fry allows for your chicken to be soaked properly, and that is one reason why I prefer this option. Wings really don't take that long to fry for them to soak through, so you just need to monitor to ensure that it is at that golden color that you desire, without over frying or making it too crisp. Once you have completed frying, you can add them to either a drainer, or in my case, I do really prefer adding them on a napkin, which allows excess oil to be drained from the chicken. So for the hot and spicy, I'll first be dipping each piece into the egg wash, and then from the egg wash to the batter that has been made with the flour, all-purpose seasoning, corn starch, cayenne pepper, both the powder and actual cayenne peppers. And once they are covered in the flour, then you'd go ahead to add it to the oil. A trick to get it having the flaky look is when you remove it from the flour, you excessively shake it. I didn't really do much of that, but you can do so if you want to have that flaky look. So there you have it, guys, Mara's homemade KFC hot and spicy wings, and a little touch, original wings as well. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about my method, my version of KFC's hot and spicy wings and original wings. I served it up with a sauce that was made from fruits, so it is guava, mango and apple, and best believe me guys when I say that this sauce was awesome. So guys, this would be my video for today. As you can see, it was also served with fresh vegetables, that's cucumbers and tomatoes, to make it a kind of balanced meal. If you have made it to the end of the video, guys, thank you so much for staying with me. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not yet a member of the Naturally Told family. And until next time guys, continue to be your most authentic self, and of course, continue to stay naturally. Bye.